All right, so let's classify this triangle. This triangle's first name, well, it looks like it has three different sized side lengths. So this is going to be a scalene. And it also looks like it has a right angle. So it's a right scalene or a scalene right triangle. So as you can see, it has like two names before you say the name triangle. All right, so it was a scalene because it has three different side lengths, and a right because it has a 90-degree angle. So if you said scalene right, you are right. All right, let's check the next one. Oops. There we go. The sides, um, yeah, that's not right. That's acute. That's acute. That's right. And then the sides are all three different. So that's not an isosceles. That's not an isosceles. That's a scalene. Good thing we did that one. All right, let's classify this one. So we have two side lengths that are the same. Two side lengths that are the same, and it appears that we have all angles that are less than 90 degrees. So go ahead and classify this triangle by sides and angles. Um, Remember, two sides being the same. Let's go back to our, oops. So all sides congruent, equilateral, no sides congruent, scalene, two sides congruent, isosceles. So this one has two sides that are congruent on two sides. So I think that this one is isosceles. Remember, you have two eyeballs. So isosceles, two, two congruent sides. There's your eyeballs right there. And then angles, we have 1, 2, 3 acute angles. There's no right angle. There's no obtuse angle. So I believe that this is an isosceles acute. Let's see if we're right. Yeah. All right, moving on. Okay, this one has three congruent sides and three angles that are less than 90 degrees. So what kind of triangle would this be? What does it mean when all sides are congruent? It's equilateral or equal sides. And then we have 1, 2, 3 angles that are less than 90 degrees, so they are acute. That's an equilateral acute triangle or an acute equilateral triangle. They're wrong. They're so wrong. um, you could technically say that it's isosceles because it has two of the same side lengths, but it also has three of the same side lengths, so that's equilateral if you want to be really specific about it. So we're righter than they are. All right, and then all right, this triangle has a greater than 90-degree angle, and it looks to be three different side lengths. They didn't mark them, so I will mark them for you. There's one side length, there's one side length, and there's one side length. So, what kind of triangle is it when it has three different side lengths and a greater than 90-degree angle? Well, if you said that three side lengths that are different is scalene, you are correct. Think about it like if you had a table with three different leg lengths, it would definitely lean, right? Scalene. And then angles, this one is greater than 90. A greater than 90 angle is called obtuse. So we have an obtuse scalene triangle. I don't know why they said isosceles again. I think that their word is broken, this part, because these sides are not the same. So that's definitely not isosceles. It's definitely scalene. It's definitely scalene. It's definitely scalene. All right. So anyway, despite them trying to mess us up, we got them right. So if you got all those, good job. Congratulations. That's actually all we got for today. You need to know how to basically classify a triangle by sides and angles. If you feel like you can successfully do that after today's lesson, then you are exactly where you should be. If for some reason you're like, no, not yet, then go back and review side lengths and angles on this slideshow and put it in your brain. And once it's in your brain, you don't have to forget it anymore. All right. Well, have a good day. I'll see you later. Bye.